up, guys? It's your girl Candy over at the G-Body Shop, but today we're not talking about G-Bodies, we're talking about Harleys. My Harley. I picked up this 22 Lowrider ST for myself because I've actually wanted a bike for quite some time, but I'm going to be the first one to admit I got myself some training wheels. By training wheels, I mean crash bars, and that's because this bike is fully loaded with one of the baddest fairings out there and some sick-ass bags. That being said, there's a lot of weight to this bike. This bike's almost 800 pounds. If I come to a quick stop, a slippery stop, lose traction, it's gonna go down and then I'm gonna wreck a fairing, especially after I get it pinstriped to match my car. I'm gonna be a little bit upset if that happens. So we're gonna prevent that, and I got myself a set of Bun King crash bars. I haven't opened them up yet, and you guys are gonna be here with me to open them. The box has already been opened up because of customs. I was trying to be a hero and fit them in my luggage, and thank God I didn't because it's heavy. What I did notice was this little bag of hardware has my large set of directions on this, and I am planning on doing this myself. I think I'm gonna need to pull a video. Hardware, check. Stickers, check. All right, so let's get the rear pulled out because that seems to be the easiest to get out of the box. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, these are sick. Check those out. So this is the rear. They're extended for the saddlebags on this specific model, and obviously some of the other models. Nobody needs that. So this is the front, and it's beefy. Oh my God. I'm gonna go with this. Get rid of that. Okay. I'm so excited for my training wheels. I really hope that bag of hardware does both front and rear. Oh, like, look at this. This is pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna bolt up to the front and essentially like stick out like training wheels. And it's gonna make sure that it covers my engine and my fairing from any damage if it gets laid down, So Bun King ain't playing because honestly, this is one of the nicest sets I saw in photos, and now that I have them in person, I'm super stoked about the attention to detail they put into these, and one day they'll be on my wall. And on that note, shout out to Bun King. I'm super excited for my training wheels. I'm super excited for my next video with my Lowrider ST, which will be installing my crash bars. So stay tuned for that. I will be watching some videos before I attempt that install on my own. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.